B-21 Raider emerges from secrecy, a pressing question arises. Is it the future of American air power or already a step behind? Warfare is evolving rapidly with new threats like hypersonic weapons, AI, and advanced sensor networks challenging traditional dominance. Recent conflicts, such as Ukraine, show how quickly air combat dynamics shift. Drones, electronic warfare, and dense air defenses rewrite the rules overnight. The B-21 enters a world where any new hardware faces a complex, ever-changing threat environment. Its success is not just about technology, but about staying ahead of adversaries who are racing to counter it before it even takes flight. The real challenge? Can the B-21 outpace threats that don't even exist yet? China in particular is rapidly modernizing, determined to close the technological gap and contest American air superiority. The B-21's relevance will depend on its ability to adapt in a world where the skies are more contested than ever. The B-21 Raider isn't just another stealth bomber, it's a sixth-generation platform built for the future. Its advanced stealth design minimizes detection across radar, infrared, and electronic spectrums, allowing it to penetrate the world's toughest air defenses. With global reach, it can strike targets anywhere from secure U.S. bases, carrying everything from smart bombs to nuclear missiles. But what truly sets it apart is its open systems architecture, enabling rapid upgrades to sensors, software, and defensive systems as threats evolve. The B-21 is designed to operate as part of a network, sharing data and coordinating with next-gen fighters and unmanned drones. This makes it not just a bomber, but a central node in a system of systems, multiplying its impact on the battlefield. Adaptability and integration are its greatest strengths, ensuring it remains relevant for decades. The B-21 faces a formidable opponent in China, which is building a dense, anti-access area denial network across the Western Pacific. China's multi-layered air defenses use advanced radars, including low-frequency types that can spot stealth aircraft, and hypersonic interceptors to shrink the window for U.S. bombers. Surveillance satellites add another layer, tracking missions from takeoff to target. Stealth can hide a plane, but not the massive logistics of a major strike. China aims to exploit this. Meanwhile, China is developing its own stealth bombers and fighters, supported by AI and unmanned systems. The B-21 will have to fight its way in and out, facing threats from both ground and air. The contest will be a true test of American innovation versus Chinese determination. The U.S. has decades of real-world experience with stealth technology, unlike China, whose systems remain largely untested in combat. American stealth aircraft have repeatedly penetrated the world's toughest air defenses, from the F-117 in the Gulf War to the B-2 and F-35 in recent operations. This operational history gives U.S. pilots and planners a deep understanding of stealth tactics, integration with electronic warfare, and mission planning. These lessons directly inform the B-21's design and employment, providing a critical edge. In contrast, China's advanced radars and missiles look impressive on paper, but their true effectiveness in the chaos of war is unknown. Combat exposes flaws and forces adaptation, something the U.S. has mastered over decades. Until China's systems are tested against peer adversaries, their capabilities remain speculative. The difference between theory and practice in warfare is vast. The B-21 enters service with a proven playbook, while China's defenses are still waiting for their real test. The B-21's greatest strength is its adaptability. It's built to evolve, not just to survive. Its open systems architecture allows for rapid upgrades, from new software to advanced sensors and stealth coatings. The Air Force plans to continuously modernize the fleet, producing new batches with the latest tech and retrofitting older bombers. This agile approach ensures the B-21 can respond to new threats in years, not decades. The U.S. expects a perpetual arms race with adversaries like China, where victory goes to the side that adapts fastest. The B-21's relevance depends on this cycle of innovation, not on any single breakthrough. By betting on open architecture, the U.S. aims to outpace enemy countermeasures for the bomber's entire service life. The B-21 is less a finished product and more a platform for continuous evolution. Will the B-21 be obsolete on arrival? All evidence points to no. It's designed for a contested future, with next-gen stealth, long-range strike, and built-in adaptability. The days of uncontested air dominance are over, but the B-21 ensures the US remains a formidable force. Its success will depend on how well it integrates with electronic warfare, cyber, and networked platforms to overwhelm enemy defenses. America's deep experience with stealth gives it a crucial edge over China's untested systems. The B-21 is not a silver bullet, but the sharp tip of a spear, part of a larger coordinated system. Its open architecture means it will keep evolving, staying ahead of threats for decades. The B-21 Raider is built for change, ensuring it remains a vital asset, not a relic, in the battles to come.
Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.